everyone, I'm Chris, and in this video we're going to learn how to make the RounTrio Laced Bracelet. It is a 2-needle project, and we're going to start with about 4.5 feet of thread. I'm going to use smoke just so you can see it a little better on the bead mat here. You'll need some RounTrios, 8/0s, 11/0s, some 4mm pearls, wire guards, some sort of a clasp with the jump rings here. So what I started with is in the middle of the 2 needles and thread, I put a wire guard and I put an 11/0 on each thread and then an 8/0 on one of the threads. This is slightly different than my demo model here. I liked how the 11/0s helped make the wire guard lay a little flatter. So on the thread that doesn't have the 8/0, we're actually going to cross through the 8/0. And then that's where we have the end of the bracelet. So now we're going to add a 4mm pearl to each needle. We're going to pick up a RounTrio. We're only going to use the outer holes on this whole project. We won't touch the middle holes there. So go through that. Both needles on either side. And then we'll pick up another 4mm pearl. And we'll scoot that down the thread. And then on one of the needles, we'll pick up an 8/0. And like we did at the beginning, the thread that does not have the 8/0, we will cross through it. And then we'll pick up another 4mm pearl on each needle. A RounTrio, and again using only the outer holes. And another 4mm pearl on each needle. And scoot those down. And then we'll pick up an 8/0 on just one of the threads. And then the one that does not have the 8/0, we will cross through it. So you see, those are kind of our units there where we have the 4mm pearl, RounTrio, 4mm pearl, and then we cross through an 8/0. So each of these units here. So you're going to continue down and make it the length of the bracelet that you wish. Now the demo I did, it has 11 RounTrio units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And with the wire guards, that creates about a 7-inch bracelet. Do remember that you need to add a clasp, so keep that in mind when you come up with your final length there.
Do you want to know how to save over 50% on jewelry making kits?
With a monthly kit subscription, you'll get 3 new kits
For as little as $49.99. Remember, that's for 3 kits. That's a savings of up to $70 per box, plus you get free domestic shipping.
This month, we have our best ever deals for new subscribers, including free tools, added boxes and kits, and even our ultimate beading kit for annual subscribers. Visit PotomacBeads.com/subscribe or click on the link in the description.
I finished my length of bracelet, and the last thing that I did was cross through one of the 8/0s, and then I added an 11/0 on each thread, and now we're going to add the other half of the bracelet, the wire guard, on this end. So I have a needle go through both sides. There we go. And then we'll take the needle and go back down. We'll go through the 11-0 we just added. We'll cross through that 8-0, and then we'll go down this pearl. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. There we go. So we'll go down the wire guard, through the 11-0, through the 8-0, and then through that pearl. So now we're going to add the 11-0s along the side here. So the first thing we'll do is we'll add 4 11-0s on the side of the round trio. Then we'll put 1 11-0 between the 4mm pearls. We'll do 4 11-0s, 1 11-0 between the pearls. So we'll pick up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll go down to this 4mm pearl here. Then we'll pick up another 11-0, just one, and then go through the other pearl. And we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. We'll pick up 4 11-0s. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go through this pearl, and then we'll pick up 1 11-0 and go through the next pearl. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll pick up 4 11-0s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll go through and pick up 1 between the pearls there. And then you'll finish this all the way down to the end of your bracelet. Once you have finished adding all of the 11-0s down both sides of the bracelet, you're going to cross through with one of the threads through this last 8-0 here. Then you're just going to tie it off in a knot, right over left, left over right. Then you can burn the ends off, and then you can add your clasp via the jump rings on there, and then you have a finished bracelet. I did get thinking and wondered, can we make this into a necklace as well? So what I did is it's basically the same pattern, except on one of the edges I used 3 11-0s and 4 on this opposite side in order to create a gentle curve. You could probably also do 4 15-0s on this upper side as well to create a necklace. Thank you for watching this RounTrio Laced Bracelet tutorial, and I hope that you join us again for future Potomac bead videos.